All right, we are on the ship in 3, 2, 1. What's going on, everybody? Today we're boarding this beautiful ship, the Carnival Breeze, for the next 4 phenomenal fun-filled days, and we're taking each and every single one of you along for the experience. So before we go ahead and get started, make sure you go ahead, drop a like on this video, subscribe if you're new, and of course turn on that post notification bell so you can get notified each and every single time we post a brand new video in this absolutely amazing series. Without further ado, let's get on board. All right, we are on the ship in 3, 2, 1, and we are officially on board. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the beautiful Carnival Breeze. We're out here in the atrium lobby right now. The music's playing, the drinks are flowing, it's a whole great time. But I've got to remind you, as soon as you get on the ship, make sure you complete your muster drill. Now, your muster drill is where you'll learn about all things safety here on board in case of an emergency, which is not likely to happen. Now, once you've completed your muster drill, you're free to go out, explore the ship, go get some lunch, and of course, check out your cabin. And that's what we're about to do right here, right now. Let's go. All right, here we are. We have found our cabin. 9467. Let's check it out. Your room keys are going to be found in an envelope like this outside your cabin. All you got to do is rip it open, and then your keys will be inside. Roll cards. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our interior cabin here on board the beautiful Carnival Breeze. Now listen, this, yes, it may be somewhat of an ordinary interior cabin, but what's special about this one is it's fitted for 3 people. Now over here, you've got your normal bed setup. You've got your 2 beds side by side, which can also be put together if you're a couple, or hey, if you just roll like that, I don't know. But up top, you've got a bunk bed. Throughout the cruise, I'll be sleeping up there, so I'll be testing out how comfortable that bunk bed is for those of you who are traveling in a pair of 3 or potentially 4, because there are some cabins here on board that fit 4 people that do have 2 bunk beds that come over these 2 main beds on the main level of the cabin. Now over here is your vanity area. Now this area is great for getting ready for formal night, getting ready for each day, or of course doing work if you like working on a cruise, which you do you, but of course you've got a lot of great storage and a lot of great space to work with over here. Now looking over here, you've got your TV, which isn't too big, isn't too small, but is absolutely perfect for the size of this cabin, and of course it'll serve you well for the duration of your cruise. Now what's left to check out is the bathroom. Okay, not too bad. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome into our bathroom. Now, there's actually a really good amount of space in here. You've got great countertop space right here. You've got your sink, which is neither too big, neither too small, but nonetheless, you've got great storage along the sides of this big old mirror right here. You've got your toilet here, and of course, you've got your shower with your shower curtain, which allows for more space to move around in there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there's your room tour of our interior cabin here on board the beautiful Carnival Breeze. Again, let us know if you've ever stayed in an interior cabin before, or if you would ever stay in an interior cabin, because it really is a great amount of space for the price, and of course the time that you'll be spending here in the cabin. But now, ladies and gentlemen, the time is 3:15. It's now time to head up to the Lido deck for our sail away from Galveston, Texas, as we say adios to reality and hello to a cruise full of fun. Whoa, ladies and gentlemen, wasn't that sail away party an absolutely amazing time? Getting to hang out with Colin and getting to do all the different dances and things that they do at the sail away, all the sail away festivities. It was just a great old time. But now we have officially set sail from Galveston, Texas, and it's nothing but darkness. It's a little cool, a little windy, but we are heading out into the Caribbean where it will be much warmer. Now, as for what we're doing right now, we're just kind of hanging out until it's time for dinner. We're just gonna go with the flow with everything, see what we can get up to, and of course, we're taking all of you along with us. So make sure you stay tuned to see what we do in between those times, and of course, after into the evening. And I gotta point out, for those of you who have said hi to me throughout the cruise today, I really appreciate you guys. It really does mean a lot, and it really just shows how much this recording for you guys on my vacations truly does pay off. And I'm so glad that you guys enjoy my videos and of course watch. On the Lido deck, you can see it's pretty calm now that cabins are open. People are going to dinner, going to the nightly entertainment and things of that nature.
They got the big movie screen up there. They'll be playing movies later tonight and every night throughout the cruise. You've also got the pool that's currently still open and a whole bunch of great seating for you and your family and friends to sit around, hang out, talk to each other, watch the movies.
It really just is a great vibe up here at nighttime. Alright family, since the last time I caught up with you guys, I've come to the room. I looked through the Carnival app in the What's Happening section. By the way, make sure you guys download that Carnival Hub app before your cruise starts so you can be in the know with everything that's happening here on board. We've kind of just been looking at things that we can do this evening, like the Welcome Aboard show, Rock the Promenade, stuff like that that's happening later. But I looked at the time and it is currently 7:30 p.m., which means it's now time to head to dinner. Let's go! Alright family, we just finished dinner. It was great. I really did enjoy all the food that I had. Definitely would order the same thing tomorrow if I could, but tomorrow will be formal night, and of course that means a different menu. But we're back here in the cabin, and as you can see, the bunk bed is currently down, up, whatever you want to call it.
Looks the same size as a normal bed down here, but I think the real difference and the real thing that we'll have to test out is the comfort level.
Alright, let's see what this bunk bed's talking about. Alright, so it's actually really comfortable and it feels like a normal cruise bed. Yeah, not bad.
I'm glad that just because these are bunk beds, Carnival didn't take that shortcut and say, hey, this is a bunk bed. It's not going to be as comfortable as a normal bed. No, this is just as comfortable, if not more.
And you even got a light up here. But now, ladies and gentlemen, the time is currently 9:20 and we're going to head down to the Ovation Theater to check out the Welcome Aboard show with our cruise director, Amber, and of course, the Playlist Productions cast. Family, we have made it back from the Welcome Aboard show. It was a good old time. Make sure you check it out once you're here on board your next Carnival cruise. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is gonna about conclude it for day number 1 here on board the Breeze. We've got a whole nother 3 full days here on board to share with each and every single one of you, and I'm excited to take you guys along for the experience. So if you guys have enjoyed this video and you want to see more from this series, make sure you go ahead, drop a like on this video, subscribe if you're new, and of course, turn on that post notification bell so you can get notified each and every single time we post a brand new video in this brand new series. But ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I've been your host, Nick J, and until I see you around, I'll see you square. Bye for now, everybody. Hey, thanks for watching all the way through this video. Want to watch more? Click here or there. Last one to the next video is a rotten egg. Want a race? Bet you can't beat me there. 3, 2, 1, go! Are you still here? Hurry, there's still time left to click the next video.